Mimi si kukupatia kura. Na wengi hapa nikiwaangalia hivi tulikuwa tumeenda njia hiyo. Ukweli ama si ukweli? But we want to say, Your Excellency, we have made a conscious decision. Tumeangalia. You are a very unique leader because you have made hard decisions which are made by very few people. In most cases, we make popular decisions, especially the issue of the housing. It's a firm decision, it's a good decision. Might not be popular now, but 2-3 years to come, Kenyans will look back and say, yes, His Excellency Dr. William Ruto was right. And when it comes to that time of making that decision, they will look at it. Your Excellency, I am one of those converted. December in 2022, sikukupatia kura. But I want to assure you, Your Excellency, I will be on the front line in 2027 to make sure that we take you back to State House. And it is not just alone. We will come with our team. Jubilee will be part of you, Your Excellency, and you're not just saying then. In county assemblies, we will make sure that, and I'm happy that you have been working with the government, Your Excellency. Now, we are happy, Your Excellency, that this team, together with your governor, the UDA governor, they have been working seamlessly. They have Jubilee is the majority in Samburu. Mheshimiwa karibu.